The certificate in IT Essential is a level 4 program accredited by NZQA. In this program, there are 4 courses, and this is a fundamental foundational courses for our students. Students from anywhere, they can come and join that program without having any entry criteria. So they can come, they can start the courses.
Just go for it. It is the future. There's a lot of awesome things out there. You start to learn so many things that will benefit you in your personal life and not just in your own career path.
The basic courses starting from introduction to information technology, to web development, software development, and information management. These 4 basic foundational courses help them to have a solid foundation to move into high-level programs such as level 5 certificate program.